Hey everyone, it's a great day to open up some more basketball cards. I've got 1993-94 NBA Hoops Series 2. This is the 5th anniversary edition. Let's see what kind of superstars of the NBA we can pull from here. Eddie Johnson starts the pack. Hey, there's the worm, Dennis Rodman. Excellent. Larry Kristokowiak. Hey, Steve Kerr. Why is he driving the lane? He should be shooting threes. We got George Merson, Brian Williams. We got a Greg Anderson with a gold foil stamp on it. Sticky, but we'll put him up because he's got a special one on there. Hey, we got a David Robinson celebrating 5 years. That's his replica rookie card. We'll put him in front there. We got Kevin Duckworth, Pete Myers, Greg Kite. That's Magic Johnson and Larry Bird. That's a nice card. We're going to end with Scott Burrell. All right, the David Robinson looks awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. We do this every single day, twice a day.